Save the day.
Late.
And shit like that.
Aww. Or not.
Hey Will.
No.
Hello.
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 Hey big tart.
How was ever?
Yeah, good, you?
Yeah, we're fine. Right.
I spent the last 3 hours with my car apart.
Looking for the
What was
cocaine
it do
again,
to
eh?
you to deserve that? Where you guys go?
We're doing what we do every time.
With the police or
Are you using
yourself?
custom?
I was trying to look for the big person. It was Bim, and he wasn't very big.
Yeah, that's what I was saying before.
Yeah, he's not very big. I know that Follow says
Bob
all
Ross.
Sound
the
like
time,
all of
but
Bim's girlfriends.
Well, he is Asian.
It's
To be
never
fair.
happened.
yeah, their Jap size goes sideways.
Jap side? What?
Don't they all, technically? Just depends on perspective.
What?
Well, how are you?
Jesus,
doing?
when you want to go
Not,
to the
not to be
doctor,
that
eh?
guy.
Seriously, you want to go to
Are
that
you
doctor?
giving head? Tom, please.
From the side.
What?
You both are regularly, is this?
What?
I've just
Yeah,
never
you
looked
just
at
wanna
one
go to the doctor,
sideways
seriously.
before. Do the balls not look peculiar from that angle?
They don't look
Where we
peculiar
are?
from
I
any
imagine
angle.
they look hilarious from that angle.
I'm very confused. 69%. 68. He's coming as soon as he... There we go. There we go.
Oh,
Stuck
take
on me.
it there. I noticed that one.
No, it's a stacky one.
Ah, I didn't. I couldn't. You guys need to start moving into them fast. He's really starting to get.
I'll do this on my own.
I knew that was going to happen as well.
Okay, bouncing balls.
2 of here now.
Grant's behind you.
I spotted in that one.
You do it. Yeah.
There should be a different colour. There should be red or something.
Sorry, I
Fuck
thought it was
annoying.
there.
Got a
You
couple
know
of
what?
ads.
Can you get yourself up?
Upside down. Balls go.
Lightning ball.
Sorry. Like, range. Go far.
That's fine.
Lightning whip's coming. And...
DBM's off.
That would just be a cooldown rather than a fixed one.
Mhm. I'm holding him, let him pull him out, and we'll transition him on this one actually, mate. He's got enough stacks, we'll just let him...
You.
Let him knock me
Oh,
out,
that's
take
gonna
him-
get me
yeah,
in.
We'll take him out of the zone. Watch where you're running, guys. There's a blue lightning
Yeah.
in this zone.
Is there? Where?
Can't get Manus.
Bouncy balls.
I'll get the back one. Get that.
Yeah, you need to tank this one, Glenn,
Stack up.
because I've got a million days on this debuff.
Stack up.
Watch the lightning whip.
Okay, where are we?
60,
We're
70%.
moving on this one.
Fusion slash.
Gonna get balls in too.
No, we're not.
Nice.
Let's get grouped up.
Right. Watch the lightning whip.
Yeah, perfect.
And I'm going to let him control
now.
it with this one here. He's going to knock me out and he's going to go this way, alright? So let him step out and then give him a couple of seconds and then bring him back in, mate.
Cool.
Yeah?
It's
Let
on
him
17.
hold outside the range.
Still got 10% to go.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's fine. Nah.
Starting shock on them.
Let's let this one level once and then we should be fine.
37%, 36%.
Hey, wait.
Watch the whip. Get to the edge of the circle.
You just
the
wanna start
lightning
making
whips
a
you
way?
into the- Ooh, that's not pleasant. Let
Right,
him
if you-
fusion you out of the
2%.
zone.
Oh.
That's fine. Don't worry, it's cool.
Get ready to
Get
move
ready.
some load and
Okay, he's
some-
transitioning. They've charged and coming now.
Stuck on me, Van.
Grins just yeah, come on.
Manas.
No, Grins just
Careful with
shouldn't
Brins'
double
one,
back.
he's quite close to us.
Now
Bouncing
get in
balls.
the one.
Just
Dave, can you get the one at the
careful,
back?
There's two here.
I get the photo over here.
I'll get this on my own, guys.
I'm ice blocking this.
Dave, soak it. Yeah. Right, what we got?
Stuck on me,
Bouncing
guys.
next.
It doesn't like you now.
Overcharge and then bouncing.
Spread out again. Bouncing balls. One, two at the back.
Got this.
Nothing coming group.
Shit, we'll have to
Stack
stack
with
on
us,
it,
we
guys.
got-
That's cool, we got it.
Yeah.
Give in, DT.
Stick on it. Whoa.
Whoa! Oh, that's bad.
Okay.
I can't get up.
I'll get you.
Right. Right, guys, watch out for the winds and the things. We're taunting on about 20 stacks, if I remember correctly. And have we got Hero anytime soon, or...?
No, in 4 minutes.
3 minutes.
Just don't back into the bad zone. You'll be okay.
So we still get Thunderstruck and we still get the Lightning Whip. We don't get the tanky knockback
Uh-huh.
mechanic. I'm on 24 stacks. Can you taunt, please, Mud?
I have ton.
Okay.
Ball lightning.
Right, we're coming up.
Can we get him like out of that middle bit?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's fucking annoying.
My
It's
stacks are
horrible.
dropped. I'm trying to taunt him. He won't come. There we go. I swear to you, with every transition, his hitbox gets bigger.
Ball lightning.
So that's every cooldown I've got.
Any cool that?
Top.
Thanks for the heals there, guys. How many stacks, Glenn?
Like 4.
I've got all my cooldowns back.
Ball lightning.
Taunting.
Actually, no, never mind. Yeah, I'm still absolute.
Oh, okay. Well, you can take him back if you want. Whoa.
I mean, yeah.
Come on, guys. 14 million. I can't get out of this puddle. There we go.
I've been
Get
mana.
out, get out, get out, get out! Abort! Abort!
I was hoping.
Kill its face.
He's going down.
Yay!
Fuck it,
Well done,
awesome!
Guys.
Hello.